Hey guys, it's Jesse here with Birds, Barks, and Baddies. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be introducing you to my African Grey Congos. So in front of us today we have Yago. He is my male African Grey Congo. Say hi, sweetie. And right next to him, this is me, Miss Jasmine. Say hi, sweetie. She's also an African Grey Congo. As you can see, they both have the red tails. Say hi, sweetie. They're beautiful, amazing, smart little creatures. I love them. Well guys, keep on following us. And see you until next time. Bye bye.